Welcome to the ADDSys to FuelQuest Integrator QuickStart. This short video will show you how to get started using this tool to send your invoices to FuelQuest. Once the application has been installed, you must first complete the setup. To do that, choose Tools, Setup. Enter in your company name, along with a short ID to be used as the FuelQuest ID. FuelQuest may have provided you one, otherwise you can simply use the abbreviations of your company. Next, enter in the production server information, which for FuelQuest is typically ftp.fuelquest.com, along with the username and password that they have provided you. Finally, enter in the email address that you will be licensing this application under. You do not need to do this right away, as you do get a 30-day free trial to make sure that the application works for your needs. However, when you do license it, make sure to enter in the email address here and simply select Save. Next, you're ready to run the batch. To do that, select File, New Invoice Batch. Choose the Select File button and select the file that you have downloaded from your ADDSys application. And choose Run Batch. The first time that you do this, you will see many items in the log where it is adding new items. This is because you have never used the application before. You will also see these each time that you run a new customer or a new item to be sent over to FuelQuest. In this case, we have a series of new customer and several new items. Until you enable these, it will not send the invoices. So now we simply must enable the customer and enable the items. To do that, select Tools, Customers. Choose the enabled box for the customer that you wish to send. For the FuelQuest ID, use a short description of the customer. In this case, we will just use ABF. FuelQuest will specify what kind of taxes the customer is looking for, either as a sum tax or an item tax setup. Choose the correct version on the drop-down, and finally put the path that FuelQuest provides you to save these invoices in, and choose Save. Then choose Tools, Items, and enable each of the new items that you wish to send to FuelQuest. If you want to change the description, you can do that by modifying the FuelQuest ID column to whatever you would like to send. By default, though, you can use what came out of ADDSys. Select Save, and you've now enabled all of the items to be sent. You are now ready to resend the batch. To do that, select File, New Invoice Batch. If the batch you have already tried to send is still listed here, you can simply hit the Run Batch button. Otherwise, select the file again, and then hit Run Batch. And you will notice this time, as we have enabled all the items, the log file shows that it has been sent to FuelQuest. That completes this quick start on how to use the ADDSys Integrator toolbox. For more information, please select Help and Documentation to view the complete documentation on how to use the application. Thank you very much, and have a great day.